guys, welcome in. My name is Barry Cessna, your Southwest Florida real estate agent. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button as I put out a lot of useful information. Now today, we are here at 2511 51st Street Southwest, right here in Southwest Lehigh Acres. A beautiful new construction, ready to move in immediately, awaiting your arrival. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and beautiful pavered driveway. I'm excited to show you inside. Let's go, come on. wow, what a great home. What I like best about this home is the nice open floor plan. You've got this huge peninsula right behind me where the kids can eat breakfast at in the morning. You've got 18-inch tiles throughout the entire living area with carpet in the bedrooms. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet, which I know a lot of people would love to have. We also have 4 bedrooms. So what a lot of people will do is they'll use that 4th bedroom as maybe as a den or an office, say a playroom, maybe even a TV room. What I like best about the outside is it's really quiet out here. It kind of feels like you're out in the country a little bit. You also have the nice pavers for the driveway, as well as the back lanai, adding that little bit of luxury to the home. We've got great stainless steel appliances, even comes with a washer and dryer. Now, what I also like about this area, this is Southwest Lehigh Acres, which I believe is an area poised for enormous growth over the next several years. The values are going to increase substantially as they start to build the commerce around this area. You're only about 10 minutes away from I-75, 10 minutes away from the RSW International Airport, and several beaches in the vicinity, such as Lover's Key, Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel, and even Naples is not much of a drive away. This home is brand new, newly constructed. Nobody's ever lived here before. It's awaiting your arrival. My name is Barry Cessna. I'm your Southwest Florida real estate agent. My contact information is right up here. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you'd like to see this home or any other home in the area, I'd love to help you out. We help primary residents. We also help people find their second home, their investment property, such as short-term rentals, long-term rentals. We also work with international folks from Canada, Colombia, Mexico, and Europe. My name is Barry Cessna, and we look forward to making your realty dreams a reality.